How to fix if your screen is flickering on YouTube. Now, in order to fix the flickering screen, you just simply need to select your YouTube and go to the app informations or the app settings of YouTube. Then scroll down until you find the option of storage. Then simply tap into that and try clearing the cache. After this, your problem might be fixed. Now, if this doesn't fix your issue, you should try going into the settings, and after going in the settings, just simply select display. From here, you will get this option of motion smoothness or hertz rate directly in the display. Just simply select that and set your refresh rate to the minimum possible in your settings. For example, it's 60 Hz for me. Just simply set it to the minimum as you can and tap to apply. And after doing this, your YouTube's problem might be fixed. I hope this video have been helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.